Thank you for all the love. Like all you mothers, I'm just another mother. You're sharing my transformation journey. Allah needs my angel. Allah is calling me. Hello, Mama. Timetable came, and I know you have many dreams from me. But every story, I'm very sorry. I am not able to do this. I want to go to Allah. Allah needs you. You please come with me to school. Everyone talk to me, but no one in this world is good. I don't want to live here. Please, and please understand me. I know health is very important. So that's why I don't want to go to school. I will go to Allah. Please, please, you promised me, right? Please, please, I want only you and Allah. Bye. Yes, dear mothers. This is a real letter from my daughter, and my transformation journey started with this. My 11-year-old daughter, with all the sparkling beauty and most intelligent in the class. For her, it started as an exam anxiety and a stress, which soon turned into panic attacks. Within no time, she became so intense with that stress that she couldn't get up, and one fine day gave me this letter from school and decided to quit school completely and refused to eat, sleep, walk, even talk. She only thing did was cry, locked herself. I, being a doctor, as a mother, seeing my little daughter lose her spark, I was drowned, and जो बोलते ना पैरों तले जमीन निगल गई. Believe me, this is a true story. मेरे पैरों तले जमीन निगल गई. किसी के साथ हुआ है ऐसे? Any mother? मेरे साथ हुआ है as a doctor. I ran from one style psychologist to another, took her to therapies. When nothing could help, even started medicines. Instead of finding solutions, I started going and drowning into helplessness energy over my home. Overthinking took over. Anxiety happened with me. Nothing could help, and I was drowning in helplessness. I found that I had not only lost control over the situation, but I had completely lost over myself as a mother. Destiny intervened then. And while desperately finding solutions over social media, I know each one of us, each one sitting here has gone through finding solutions desperately on social media. I came across Siddhika. That very moment, everything shifted. Okay? I got that warmth, that hand holding, and all that. This is Mariam. Actually, I forgot to show you this picture of hers. When I clicked, when she gave me this letter, okay, she was drowning. Everything was like helplessness. While finding solutions, I got that warmth, that hand holding of hers gave me the courage. And then and there, I decided that this is it. Not only my doubts, my confusion got clarity, I got all my answers very scientifically and yet soulful. Yes, dear mothers, believe me, the change which a mother can bring, no therapist, no doctor bought. As a doctor, I am telling you, कुछ नहीं हो सका. बस ये स्ट्रक्चर जो सिद्धिका ने मुझे बताया ऑन हर फर्स्ट डे, Simple things I started. I started building communication with her. The bonding which I had lost, I got back. And slowly, respectful communication. Respectful communication. Yes, dear mothers, silvers में आया ये. Respectful communication, and hence, slowly correction became effortless with love and not with force. I could really, mothers, as you know, going through his very vulnerable state, was to bring back that magic through my motherhood, through my, मुझे पता चला कि मैं कर सकती हूँ by being calm and patient and building that bond. I had lost bond. Yes. Don't wait for something unfortunate to happen. Never. Just start taking knowledge so that you all can help your children. You are in a very good place. Believe me. Try to find that unmet needs what your child has because of that behavior. मुझे पता चला उसकी anxiety और fear मेरे से थी. मुझे पता चला मुझे काम करना है मेरे पे. And then I started becoming calmer, accepting and, believing in my child. I trusted her choices, though they didn't find me enough fruitful as an adult. Yes, believe and show the trust and the magic happens. I became calm. I rewired myself by subconscious programming. I healed completely. With me, my entire family turned. The internal change, internal wiring, which I did, showed me the change in my family. And my family today is a happy family. They are so positive. My daughter, Mariam, not only thrives academically, but she is thriving emotionally. I miss her so much today. I have brought the change I could only do by Siddhika. She's back. I could give her all the energy when needed through Siddhika. Through Siddhika, I must say. मेरी बेटी वापस आई just because of her. I believe in self-love, self-awareness. Now, I don't fear. I have all the faith, and now I only operate with confidence, and hence abundance is what I attract. I truly believe when a mother rises, your entire family rises. I did it by connection, subconscious programming, no loose comments, no energy leakage. Correction will happen automatically, my dear mothers. Seriously, believe me. Diamond was an addiction for me to get consistent and get the non-judgmental space you all gave me. New tool every week. My daughter now is so happy to go to school just because of Siddhika. Thank you. This is a next breakthrough. I could send her to Germany on a solo trip without me, neither my husband, neither my son. Thank you. This is the time she cut her hair herself and she decided not to go to school. But I joined Siddhika then. She was sad. Still, I was forcing her. And I stopped doing, and now she is here. If I could do, you all can do with Siddhika. Please follow the system and believe me. Last but not the least, if your permission, Siddhika, one song for my good life. रुक जाना नहीं तू कभी हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही। Thank you, dear mothers. Thank you, Siddiq.